what are you working on?
Hi Maya. Just finishing this model airplane. I love building things.
Cool! That looks awesome. Do you build other models too?
Yeah, I've made cars and robots before. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
I really like to draw. I mostly do portraits and animals.
Wow, that's impressive. Do you ever show your drawings to anyone?
Not really. I'm a bit shy about them. Maybe someday. What do you like to do besides building models?
Well, I also love to play video games with my friends. And sometimes I read science fiction books. Do you like reading?
I do. I prefer fantasy novels with dragons and magic. Have you read any good ones lately?
Not really fantasy, but I just finished this book about a group of astronauts on Mars. It was really exciting.
That sounds interesting. Maybe I'll check it out at the library.
Cool. We can swap recommendations sometime.
Hey, about those video games you mentioned, what kind do you like to play?
Actually, I play a lot of different genres. Sometimes I'm in the mood for a relaxing puzzle game, but other times I want something more action-packed, like a fighting game. What about you? Do you ever play video games?
Not really. I used to play a little bit with my brother when I was younger, but I find I get too absorbed in them. I prefer activities where I can create something or use my imagination.
I understand. Building models can be pretty creative too. You gotta design them and put them together just right. Maybe you could try designing some of your own characters for a video game someday.
Oh, that's a cool idea. I never thought about that. Maybe I could draw them and then imagine what kind of powers they would have.
See, there you go. Your drawing skills would be perfect for that. We could even come up with a story for the game together if you wanted.
Wow, that would be so much fun! We could make a fantasy game with dragons and magic, just like the books I love.
Sounds awesome. We should brainstorm some ideas sometime.
That sounds perfect. Maybe this weekend? We could grab some snacks and get creative at the park.
Sounds like a plan. I can bring some notebooks and pencils to sketch some ideas for the game world.
Great! I'll bring my sketchbook and some colorful pens. Maybe we can even come up with a catchy name for the game.
Definitely. A cool name can really set the tone for the whole experience. I'm already getting excited about this.
Me too. This could be the start of something really cool, Ben. Thanks for the inspiration.
Hey, thanks for being so open to the idea, Maya. It'll be fun to work on this together. Who knows, maybe someday we'll see our game come to life.
Ha ha ha. Now that would be a dream come true. But for now, let's focus on having fun and creating a fantastic world. All right, so this weekend at the park sounds good. Is there a specific time you were thinking?
Maybe around noon. That way we have plenty of daylight for brainstorming and sketching.
Perfect! I can pack some sandwiches and fruit for lunch. Do you have any allergies I should know about?
Nope, I'm good with anything. Thanks for thinking of that. Maybe we can find a nice shady spot under a tree, like a mini headquarters for our game creation.
Love it! We can spread out our notebooks and brainstorm like official game designers. Speaking of which, do you have any ideas for the main character yet?
Not really yet. Maybe we could brainstorm some different types together. Like, would you prefer a powerful warrior, a cunning mage, or maybe something more unique?
That's a tough one. I do love a strong female character, but a wise old wizard could be cool too. Maybe we could have multiple characters the player can choose from?
Whoa, that's a great idea, Maya. We could have different characters with different strengths and weaknesses, making the game more replayable.
Exactly! And the story could change depending on which character you choose. The possibilities are endless. This is getting me so hyped. Maybe we can even come up with some challenges the characters will face in the game.
Absolutely. We could have them fight off fire-breathing dragons, solve ancient riddles to unlock hidden treasures, or maybe even navigate through a treacherous maze.
Ooh, I love the maze idea! We could make it really puzzling with hidden doors and traps. And of course, there has to be a final showdown with a powerful villain, right?
Definitely. The villain could be an evil sorcerer who wants to control all the magic in the world, or maybe a greedy dragon hoarding a mountain of gold.
Oh, a dragon villain would be classic. But maybe with a twist. What if the dragon isn't necessarily evil, but just misunderstood?
Whoa, that's a cool twist. Maybe the characters have to solve the mystery and find a way to help the dragon instead of fighting it.
See? The more we brainstorm, the cooler this game gets. This weekend can't come soon enough.
Me neither. We might just create the next legendary fantasy game, Maya. Just imagine.
Ha ha ha. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but it's definitely going to be an epic adventure, at least for us. Get ready to unleash your creativity, Ben!
You know what, Maya? Thinking about unleashing creativity, maybe we can even incorporate some of our other hobbies into the game.
That's a fantastic idea! How so?
Well, for example, since you love drawing characters, maybe we can design some mini-games where the player has to solve puzzles based on your drawings.
Wow, that's brilliant! I could create riddles or hidden messages within the drawings that the player has to decipher.
Exactly. And who knows, maybe you'll even get inspired to design some new creatures for the game based on your drawings.
See, this is why collaboration is so awesome. We can take each other's strengths and turn them into unique game elements. What about your video game experience? Can we incorporate that somehow?
Absolutely. Maybe we can design different levels with varying difficulty, just like some video games have. And I can definitely help with the mechanics of the game, like how combat works or how the characters move around the world.
This is just getting better and better. We can create a game that's both visually stunning and engaging to play. This weekend can't come fast enough.
Agreed. We have a lot of brainstorming to do, but I have a feeling this is going to be something truly special. Maybe we should even come up with a cool codename for our project, just to make it feel official.
Ha ha ha. A code name, huh? Now that's just getting serious. We'll have to think about something catchy and thematic. This is going to be an unforgettable adventure, Ben, even if it never becomes a real game.
You said it, Maya. Here's to creating our own epic fantasy world.
Alright, brainstorming code names sounds like the perfect way to end this conversation for now. Any ideas popping into your head?
A few. What about something simple and descriptive, like Project Mythmaker? Since we're creating our own myths and legends.
Ooh, I like that! It has a nice ring to it. But maybe something a little more mysterious? Like Code Whisperwind?
Ooh, that sounds intriguing. Like there's a hidden secret waiting to be discovered. I like it.
Perfect! Code Whisperwind it is. See you at the park this weekend, Ben. Get ready for a whirlwind of creativity.
You too, Maya. And who knows, maybe someday the whispers of the wind will carry our game to the world.
Ha ha ha. Don't get ahead of yourself, but hey, a dreamer can dream, right? See you then.
Hey Maya, just checking in. Any ideas brewing for Code Whisperwind this week?
Hey Ben! You bet! I've been sketching some character concepts based on what we discussed. A fierce warrior woman, a wise old wizard with a long beard reaching his toes, and even a mischievous little sprite.
Awesome. Can't wait to see them. I've been thinking about the world itself. What if it's a floating continent high above the clouds, shrouded in mist?
Whoa, that's a super cool concept. It would add a sense of mystery and adventure. Maybe the characters have to travel to different parts of the continent to find clues or complete tasks.
Exactly. And the mist could hold hidden dangers or even lost civilizations. We could even incorporate some flying creatures for transportation, like giant birds or magical griffins.
Love it! This world is really coming together. Maybe I can draw some of these creatures too, to flesh out the ecosystem.
Perfect. The more details we have, the more immersive the game world will feel. I've also been thinking about the puzzles you mentioned. Maybe some could involve the player manipulating your drawings to reveal hidden pathways or activate mechanisms.
That's such a creative way to integrate my drawings. I can even make the drawings themselves part of the challenge with hidden symbols or cryptic messages.
This is turning out even better than I imagined, Maya. We're building a world that's both beautiful and challenging. I can't wait to see your sketches and brainstorm some specific puzzles this weekend.
Me neither, Ben. Code Whisperwind is definitely taking flight. See you at the park.
Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.